Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're addressing a common issue with the CapCut app. What to do if you're facing a no internet connection problem. Plus, we'll cover the best VPN option to use with CapCut on your iPhone to ensure a smooth editing experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tips and tricks. First, let's tackle the no internet connection issue with CapCut. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to internet. Try opening a website or another app that requires internet access. If your Wi-Fi is connected properly and it is working on other apps, let's move on to next step. Sometimes simply restarting CapCut can resolve connection issues. Close the app completely and open CapCut. Now, also make sure you have the latest version of CapCut installed. So go to the App Store, simply search for CapCut, and if there is an update available, tap on it. If this also doesn't solve your problem, a quick restart of your device can often fix temporary issues. Also ensure that CapCut has necessary permissions. So go to Settings, find CapCut, and make sure all relevant permissions are enabled. Now, if none of those solutions work, you might consider using a VPN to bypass network restrictions or improve your connection. This VPN called 1.1.1 is for its fast speeds and reliable performance. It offers a wide range of servers worldwide and is great for bypassing geo restrictions. To use a VPN with CapCut, simply download your chosen VPN from the App Store and connect to a server. Then open CapCut and see if your internet connection issues are resolved. And that's all there is to it. You should now be able to fix the no internet connection problem with CapCut and enjoy seamless video editing.